Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial, we will see how we can perform delete request, or we can say delete books using delete book. So delete book using MySQL, using Node.js, Express.js and MongoDB. So here we have to pass only one parameter. So let's copy the same as we have here. We can say app.delete and then we'll add API/books/:id, then request and then response. After that we can say we have to simply call the method. I can write database dot collection and then we'll call collection books dot delete one. So we have one method delete one. In this delete one you have to pass the query parameter. So I want query parameter on id, parse int, and here I can say request dot parameters dot id. So using this it will find that, and after that we'll say here the error or result. Whatever data we will get, we can get it from here. Now let's check if we have any error or not. If we have error, then simply throw this error, else throw the error. Else what we'll do, response dot send, and here I can say record or book is deleted. Save it. Now let's go to the Postman, and here we can see since id 1 is not available, if you will send then you will get 500 error. So let's first go into MongoDB and let's say I wanted to delete ID 102. So I have to pass here ID 102, click send, 102, click send. It should work. Okay, so here you can see I have done one mistake, delete. So I have to use delete one. Save it now again and then try to send it. So let's say if I'll write here only one, in that case what output we will get? Okay, it is saying one book is deleted, although this particular ID is not available. So if I'll write here 102, now it is saying book is deleted. So if I click get all, we will see that data is coming on 103, from 103. We have only now these three records available. So basically in delete we have to add one validation. If the record is available, then only we have to perform these things. In case of delete, so we can just write similar to this one. We'll have to first find, and if data is exist, then do the other stuff. Hope you are able to understand these things and you will apply these things in your real project. This is all about this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.